Hello everyone. Now come to the exercise 8.2 of class 6 chapter number 8, that is decimal. So what is in the 8.2 we'll see. In the question says that write the following decimal in their place value. Now again we all know about the place values. So here it is, a number is mentioned that we have to just describe their place value. So what are their place values? We'll say that 0.29. So 0.29, we all know that it is ones, tens, hundred. This is tenth, hundredth, and thousandth. So at a place of ones there is nothing. At a place of tens there is nothing, and hundred also there is nothing. So after the decimal there are few numbers. So after the decimal we know that this is 1 by tenth. This is 1 by hundred. They are called tenth and hundredth and thousandth. So at a place of tenth there will be 2. At a place of hundred there will be 9, and at a place of thousand there is nothing, so it will be 0. For the next question it is 2.08. So this 2 is at the place of ones, we'll put 2, but at the place of tens there's nothing, at the place of hundred there's nothing, but after decimal we'll see at a place of 1/10, that means 10th, at the place of 1/10 this is 0, at the place of 100 this is 8, and at a place of 1000, 1 by 1000, there is nothing. So this will be the place value for the given question. Now come to the next question. It says that write each of the following as a decimal. That means here it is, a few numbers are given, we have to convert this number into decimal. So 20 plus 9 plus 4 by 10 plus 1 by 100. So 20 plus 9, it will be 29. But what is 4 by 10? 4 by 10, as we all know, it will be 0.4. And what is 1 by 100? So it will be 0.01, because as we know, if you have a zeros in the denominator, we'll put the decimal after how many zeros are given in the denominator. There are 2 0, we'll put after the two number decimal after two number. But here it is only one number is mentioned, so we'll take 10 from our side and we'll put 0.01. So after submission of all this number, we'll get 29.41. This will be the answer for first one. Now come to the next one, that is 137 plus 5 by 100. So 137 will remain as it is, and after 1 5 by 100 again we'll put decimal after two number, but in the numerator there is only one number, so we'll put 0 from our side, so it will be 0.05, and after adding 0.05 into 137 it will be 137.50 0.05. Now come to the next question. uh, it says that write each of the following decimal in the word. We have to just write these numbers into form of word. That means what we are saying, we just have to write it. What is this? It's 0.03. So we have written 0.03, 1.20, 1.20. This is the answer for this question. Now come to the next question, that is question number 6, says that between which two number in the 10th place on the number line does each of the given number lie? That means we have to say that 0.06, in between 0 in between of which two numbers 0.06 lie. So as we know, 0.06, that means this number is smaller than 0. This number is smaller than 0, so we'll take the number from 0.06. We will take from 0 to, we'll take the 10th equal part of smaller value of 0, so it will be 0 up to 0 1. That means the 10 equal part in between 0 and point 1. So this 0.6 will lie, 0.06 will lie in between 0.0 and point 1, so it will be nearer to point of 1. Now come to the question number 7, that says the write as a decimal in the lowest term. That means we have to write as a fraction in the lowest term. That means the decimal form of number is given, we just have to write their fraction part. So 0.60 is written there, so we'll remove the decimal, put 1 in the denominator, and there are two numbers, we'll put two zeros, so it became 60 by 100. By cut short, we can say that if you cut both the numbers with 20, so 23 is a 60 and 25 is a 100. So the answer for this question, it will be 3 by 5. Similarly, if you want to if you want the lowest term in the form of fraction for 0.05, it will be, will remove the decimal and put the 1 in the denominator and the two zeros, because there are two number in the denominator, so it became 5 by 100. It will, by cut short, it will be 5 ones are 5 and 20 into 5, that is 100. So the fraction form for the given decimal will be 1 by 20.